teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Anamika Singh from grade 10 CBSE, studying in Sadashiva High School. I wish you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. The father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, India. He was the fourth child of Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas was a small, quiet boy who disliked sports. He was born into the second highest caste in Hindu society. He had his schooling in nearby Rajkot. At the age of 13, in May 1883, Mohandas was married to a 14-year-old Kasturbai Mukherjee. On 4th September 1888, on his 19th birthday, he travelled to London, England, to study law at University College, London, to train as barrister. He was well known as lawyer, politician, social activist, and writer who became the leader of nationalist movement against the British rule of India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was also known as Bapuji Gandhiji. In South Africa, he raised his family and employed as non-violent resistant in a campaign for 1915. He returned back to India. He started the Indian National Congress. Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for equality, women's rights, building religion for achieving Swaraj. Gandhiji imposed a British salt tax by the movement called Dandi Salt March in 1930. He struggled a lot for this march and protested against the British with a movement called Quit India Movement in 1942. He was imprisoned for many years in South Africa and India. Mahatma Gandhi led many movements. He led a movement called Non-Cooperation Movement, which was launched on 1st August 1920. His main aim was for self-governance and obtaining full independence. His main motive was to establish non-cooperation and non-violence. Quit India movement was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on 8th August 1942 during World War II, demanding the end of British rule in India. Gandhi made a call to do or die in Quit India speech. Mahatma Gandhi's three main qualities were strong leadership, simplicity, and bravery. Gandhiji ended the discrimination against untouchables. Last but not the least, Gandhiji led the Indian independence movement in 1947. Gandhiji believed in living a simple and smooth life in New Delhi. In 78 years, Mahatma Gandhi took stands. He had such courage and belief and determination to accomplish whatever he sets in his mind. He faced many obstacles, many struggles, but anything doesn't stop him. He fulfilled his lifelong goal of India becoming an independent country.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Rashi Sharma. I am studying in grade 6. Today I am going to tell a poem about Gandhi ji. राष्ट्रपति हैं गांधी जी, महात्मा हैं गांधी जी, साबरमती के संत भी कहलाते हैं गांधी जी। बिना शस्त्र उठाए देश को आज़ादी दी, अहिंसा की राह पर चले सदा गांधी जी। राष्ट्रपति हैं गांधी जी, महात्मा हैं गांधी जी, साबरमती के संत भी कहलाते हैं गांधी जी। बिना शस्त्र उठाए देश को आज़ादी दी, अहिंसा की राह पर चले सदा गांधी जी। थैंक यू।
My name is Supraja from grade 9. Today I am going to give a speech. My topic is about future of India in the path shown by Gandhi ji. Practical path. In my opinion, truth is the single most important principle of Gandhi ji which we must hold on to in our life. My Experiment with Truth is one of the best autobiographies ever written. It is inspiring, educative, and also shows a practical way to practice truth. Most important, Mahatma Gandhi's most important principle, which is applicable even today, is non-violence, which won us our freedom. For freedom, in my opinion, philosophy of non-violence is the one to follow. It has won us our freedom. When the many world leaders have also appreciated this philosophy of Gandhiji and have also tried to adopt these same methods. Never give up. I believe that never say die spirit of Gandhiji must be imbibed by one and all. If his relentless fight over British setbacks is inspiring, be the change. According to me, the single most important teaching that we must follow is be the change you seek in the world. To make the changes possible, we need to become a part and we should not expect others to do it for us. Try patience. The single most important principle that continues to be even relevant today is the need to be patient. Three things. Gandhiji's philosophy of ahimsa, truth and love are three things that will help us live a peaceful and a better life. Simple rule. The most important principle of Gandhiji that we should follow is non-violence. And if we follow this, we are sure to succeed. Truthfulness. In my opinion, the single most important principle of Gandhiji is that we should hold on to is to never tell lies, always speak truth. Mahatma Gandhi always fought to bring peace and harmony without weapons. Gandhiji showed us that ahimsa is the greatest weapon. I wish you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
भले तात मन बापूजी बालल तात बापूजी भले तात मन बापूजी बालल तात बापूजी बोसी नव्వుల बापूजी చిన్ని పిలక बापूजी भले तात मन बापूजी बालल तात बापूजी కులమత భేదం వలదన్నాడు కలిసి బతికితే బలమన్నాడు మానవులంతా ఒకటన్నాడు మనలో జీవం పోసాడు భలే తాత మన బాపూజీ బాలల తాత బాపూజీ నడుం బిగించి లేచాడు అడుగు ముందుకు వేశాడు పదం తొక్కుతూ పదం పాడుతూ దేశం దేశం కదిలింది గజ గజలాడెను సామ్రాజ్యం మనకు లభించెను స్వరాజ్యం మనకు లభించెను స్వరాజ్యం భలే తాత మన బాపూజీ బాలల తాత బాపూజీ సత్యాహింసల శాంతి మార్గమని జగతికి జ్యోతిని చూపించాడు మానవ ధర్మం బోధించాడు మానవ ధర్మం బోధించాడు మహాత్ముడైల వెలిసాడు భలే తాత మన బాపూజీ బాలల తాత బాపూజీ భలే తాత మన బాపూజీ బాలల తాత బాపూజీ భలే తాత మన బాపూజీ బాలల తాత బాపూజీ భలే తాత మన బాపూజీ బాలల తాత
You all love me and respect me as the father of Indian nation. As I said, no liquor and liquor is happily banned on this one day throughout the nation. I am not going to ask you to make resolution to give up liquor. I am not even going to ask you to stand up for the freedom of nation, or give up everything and join politics. I am not even asking you to practice non-violence. That if your neighbor hits you, you offer him the other cheek. But I think there is something you can all do, just like the New Year's and holidays. We all make a pledge and resolution. Today, can you make a simple pledge not for the nation alone, but for yourself, but for yourself as well, and I feel happy for you. Repeat after me. I solemnly pledge today that I am going to make my best effort to make this country a clean, honest, and truthful nation. I am not going to take a broom and sweep the streets and minds of a people. I can promise that next time when I see someone making something wrong or behaving in improper way, I take the responsibility to correct it and put it in the right path. Doing is something else compared to believing, and I promise to do it from today. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.